The smartwatch world just got flipped upside down. Apple and Samsung might have ruled the wearable game for years, but Garmin has just dropped a bombshell with a brand new Garmin Venu 4, and it's nothing short of revolutionary. With next-level health tracking, a massive battery life upgrade, AI-powered coaching, and even features like blood pressure monitoring and solar charging, this smartwatch is shaking the entire industry. So, has Garmin finally built the ultimate Apple Watch and Galaxy Watch killer? In this video, we're breaking down every shocking feature, the design changes, price leaks, and the official release date. Stick around, because by the end, you'll see why Apple and Samsung should be worried. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The smartwatch industry is evolving faster than ever, and 2025 has already proven to be a landmark year for wearable technology. But just when Apple and Samsung thought they had the upper hand in this competitive space, Garmin has stepped forward with a device that is being described as nothing short of revolutionary, the Garmin Venu 4. Packed with powerful upgrades, refined design elements, next-level health tracking, and an approach that prioritizes performance and accuracy over flashy gimmicks, the Garmin Venu 4 is making serious waves. And now, the biggest question buzzing through the tech world is, has Garmin just changed the game for good? In this video, we'll uncover everything about the Garmin Venu 4. From its redesigned body and advanced AMOLED display to its groundbreaking health sensors, improved battery life, AI-powered coaching, and how it stacks up against industry titans like the Apple Watch Series 10 and Samsung Galaxy Watch 8, this script is your one-stop destination for everything you need to know. By the end, it will be clear why experts are saying Apple and Samsung should be worried about Garmin's latest creation. Garmin has always held a unique position in the smartwatch market. While Apple and Samsung dominate the mainstream audience with polished, feature-rich wearables, Garmin's focus has always leaned heavily toward fitness tracking, durability, and precision. From triathletes to mountaineers, the Garmin name carries weight in communities that value performance above all else. The Venu series has been Garmin's attempt to bridge the gap between rugged outdoor-focused wearables like the Phoenix line and the sleek, modern smartwatches of its competitors. The Venu 2 was praised for its bright AMOLED display and strong health tracking features, while the Venu 3 refined the experience with AI-driven fitness coaching and better smartwatch features. But now, with the Venu 4, Garmin seems ready to take the crown by combining pro-level accuracy with mainstream appeal. The Garmin Venu 4 makes a statement the moment you see it. While previous Garmin devices sometimes looked more sport watch than smartwatch, the Venu 4 strikes a balance with a sleeker, more premium design that appeals to professionals and athletes alike. It is thinner, lighter, and available in multiple case sizes to suit both small and large wrists, making it versatile for a wide audience. The AMOLED display has been upgraded to an even brighter panel, ensuring visibility in direct sunlight, a critical factor for runners, cyclists, and outdoor adventurers. But unlike many smartwatches, Garmin has doubled down on durability, incorporating sapphire crystal glass options and more scratch-resistant coatings. The watch also carries 5 ATM water resistance, making it safe for swimming and even light diving. Perhaps most importantly, Garmin has redesigned the user interface for smoother navigation. The combination of a responsive touchscreen and side buttons ensures that users can quickly operate the watch whether they're dripping with sweat after a run or navigating menus